Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Porsche 911, a model that continues to set the benchmark for performance, design, and innovation in the sports car world. Let's explore what makes this iconic vehicle a true masterpiece. Design and exterior. The 2025 Porsche 911 maintains its timeless silhouette, a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity. Subtle yet impactful refinements enhance both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The front fascia now features vertical, automatic louvers, improving performance and airflow. Reconfigured and improved headlights add to the car's sleek appearance. From the standard 911 Carrera to the track-bred 911 GT3 RS and the 580 horsepower 911 Turbo S, Porsche's icon offers different levels of performance ranging from exhilarating to downright powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 911 offers a range of powertrains tailored to various driving preferences. Carrera models, equipped with a 3.0-litre twin-turbo flat-six engine, delivering 388 horsepower and 331 pounds-feet of torque. The Carrera Coupe accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds, while the Cabriolet does it in 4.1 seconds. Carrera GTS models, featuring a 3.6-litre turbo flat-six hybrid engine, producing 532 horsepower and 449 pounds-feet of torque. The GTS Coupe reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in a swift 2.9 seconds. Turbo models, powered by a 3.7-litre twin-turbo flat-six engine, the Turbo Coupe boasts 572 horsepower and 553 pounds-feet of torque, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.7 seconds. Turbo S models, the pinnacle of performance with a 3.7-litre twin-turbo flat-six engine, delivering an impressive 640 horsepower and 590 pounds-feet of torque. The Turbo S Coupe sprints from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a mere 2.3 seconds. GT3 models, for the purists, the GT3 comes with a naturally aspirated 4.0-litre flat-six engine, generating 502 horsepower and 331 pounds-feet of torque, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.2 seconds. GT3 RS models, track-focused with a 4.0-litre flat-six engine, offering 502 horsepower and 346 pounds-feet of torque, and a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 2.8 seconds. Hybrid innovation. A significant addition to the 2025 lineup is the introduction of hybrid technology in the GTS models. This system combines a turbocharged engine with an electric motor, enhancing performance while maintaining the emotive engine sound that enthusiasts cherish. Interior and technology. Inside, the 2025 911 seamlessly blends luxury with cutting-edge technology. The cabin features high-quality materials, customizable to individual tastes. A notable update is the fully digital instrument cluster, providing drivers with intuitive access to vital information. Driving dynamics. The 2025 911 continues Porsche's legacy of exceptional handling and driver engagement. The Carrera models offer a balanced and responsive experience, while the GTS and Turbo variants provide heightened agility and power. The GT3 and GT3 RS are engineered for those seeking an unfiltered, track-ready experience. Pricing. The 2025 Porsche 911 lineup offers a range of models to suit different preferences and budgets. Here's a breakdown of the starting MSRPs for some of the key variants. Carrera Coupe, starting at $120,100. Carrera Convertible, starting at $133,400. Carrera T Coupe, starting at $134,000. Carrera T Convertible, starting at $147,300. Carrera GTS Coupe, starting at $164,900. Carrera GTS convertible, starting at $178,200. Carrera 4 GTS coupe, starting at $172,700. Carrera 4 GTS convertible, starting at $186,000. Targa 4 GTS, starting at $186,000. Turbo coupe, starting at $197,200. Turbo convertible, starting at $210,000. Turbo S coupe, starting at $230,400. Turbo S convertible, starting at $243,200. GT3 RS coupe, starting at $241,300. Turbo 50 years coupe, starting at $261,100. Please note that these prices are subject to change and may vary based on additional options and regional factors. Conclusion: the 2025 Porsche 911 exemplifies the brand's commitment to evolving an icon while staying true to its roots. With a blend of timeless design, advanced technology, and exhilarating performance, the new 911 continues to captivate enthusiasts and set the standard in the sports car segment. Thank you for joining me on this in-depth look at the 2025 Porsche 911. Stay tuned for more reviews and insights into the world of high-performance automobiles. The 2025 Porsche 911 continues the legacy of one of the most iconic sports cars, blending timeless design with cutting-edge performance and technology. Retaining its signature silhouette, the latest model introduces refined aerodynamics, updated LED headlights, and improved airflow for better efficiency and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 911 offers multiple powertrains, from the Carrera's 3.0-litre twin-turbo flat-six to the Turbo S's 640 horsepower 3.7-litre twin-turbo engine. A significant highlight is the hybrid-assisted 3.6-litre turbo flat-six in the Carrera GTS, delivering 532 horsepower for enhanced performance and efficiency. Inside, the 911 boasts a luxurious, tech-forward cabin featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, premium materials, and advanced driver assistance systems. Porsche's latest infotainment system integrates seamlessly with modern connectivity features, ensuring both convenience and entertainment. With lightning-fast acceleration, precise steering, and impeccable balance, the 2025 911 maintains its reputation as the ultimate driver's car. Whether you opt for the Carrera, GTS, Turbo, or track-focused GT3 RS, each model offers a unique driving experience tailored to enthusiasts. Starting at around $120,000, the 2025 Porsche 911 is a perfect blend of tradition and innovation, reaffirming its status as the benchmark in the sports car world. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.